the year 2031, the International Space Station will fire its thrusters for the last time, burning up in Earth's atmosphere and forever crashing down into Point Nemo, the spacecraft cemetery in the Pacific Ocean. Before the space station sinks to the bottom of the cold, dark ocean floor, what other achievements will there be? How many more astronauts will live on board? Will the first person who steps on Mars get to train on the space station? When will the first Starship dock? And will the space station get to witness the launch of the first crewed mission to Mars before the end of its life? November 2000. The first crew starts living on board the ISS. December 2002. Crew members are eating plants grown on the space station. September 2006. Smoke in the cabin. The space station declares its first emergency. A life support oxygen generator has overheated. April 2007. Over 100 people have now lived on board the International Space Station. November 2010. Humans have been living on the ISS for 10 years. May 2012. SpaceX makes its first docking. November 2020. The 20th anniversary of humans living in space, on board the ISS. January 2022. Testing begins on a handheld 3D bioprinter that can use an astronaut's own cells to instantly bioprint a medical bandage in space. Shouldn't we be content to be cosmic sloths, enjoying the universe from the comfort of Earth? The answer is no. Stephen Hawking. The foundation for humankind's journey beyond Earth's solar system is being laid right now aboard our very own International Space Station. Astronaut Victor J. Glover. We cannot predict the new forces, powers, and discoveries that will be disclosed to us when we reach the other planets and set up new laboratories in space. Arthur C. Clarke. Somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known. Carl Sagan.